Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on Google Chrome, and we're going to do this on the iPhone itself. First of all, you want to have the shortcut on Google Chrome on your app over here. When you click this one, you want to scroll and click on the three dots on the lower right corner, and you want to scroll all the way to the button where it says clear browsing data. This is the fourth option in the second menu. When you click clear browsing data, you simply will have the option to clear not only individual, but you can select a particular time range. So you can clear everything that you actually searched during the last hour, something that you just recently searched, right? And you want to clear, but you don't want to wipe out the whole search queries that you already generated, because you might have some important information or websites or pages that you previously found or used. You can select a 24-hour period, which is 1 day. You can select the last week, last 4 weeks, which is a month, and essentially you can wipe out everything all time. This is why you want to make sure that you're fully aware of the different options and how you can actually clear your browsing data. You don't want to go about deleting what you searched for the last week and essentially delete all of your search queries, right? This is very important. Second thing is that you want to make sure that you know that you can actually, first of all, clear your cached images and files, which will help you to clear up some space. So the question is, do you want to hide what you search for, or you just want to make some space on your device? Also very important is that you want to make sure that you do have your passwords saved as well, aside from the browsing data. You want to make sure that the passwords will remain logged in and saved up, because you don't want to have 100 different logins and signups and then you wiped out everything, including the data and search queries. Then you have to manually input the 100 different plus passwords and logins, right? You want to make sure you check all this information prior you actually choose which items and how long in terms of range you want to delete or simply clear your browsing data. Subscribe and follow for more.